All right, my first graders, let's finally start working on these books I've been telling you about. You need your writer's notebook, your list of ideas, and find this page at the back. It's towards the back, and there are two sets of them. I don't care which one you use. It's called a bubble map. We've done ones like this before, haven't we? All right. So take a look at your ideas. Do you have one idea that you're like, yeah, that's the one I really want to write about? Well, something happened with my dogs last night. You know how the cartoons where the character's head, like smoke and flames come out of the top of their head? I'm pretty sure that I may have looked like that yesterday. By the end, I was laughing, but when I first discovered what my dogs did, I was furious. So I am going to write about Finn and Theo. So I'm going to put my topic right here. Finn and Theo. Have I shown you a picture of my dogs? I might have to do that. Finn and Theo. Okay. I'm going to put the biggest thing up here right on top. What made me so mad? 8. I don't have to write in full sentences for this. This is just a brainstorming. These two lovely doggies ate a box of K cups. Now, if you are watching this with a grown-up, the grown-ups are probably going, oh my gosh. So if you don't know what a K-cup is, let me tell you. When I drink my coffee in the morning, I'm the only one in my house who drinks coffee. So I get these little bitty cups like this, and I put them in the machine, and I pull it down, and the water goes through the machine, and it makes me a lovely cup of coffee. It also has the coffee in these little tiny K-cups that you can shake, and you can hear the coffee. And they come in a box of 12. And I had one of my K-cups, which means my dogs opened, ate, and got coffee all over 11 of those cups. Can you tell I wanted to? Oh, it's crazy. Okay, so they ate a box of K-cups. Not a whole box. I had just opened the box, left it on the counter, which was my fault because Theo is very tall and he decided to share with his little brother, Finn. Okay, so let me tell you about this. Let's see. I might put Theo is tall because I couldn't have done it without Theo being so tall. Theo is tall. That's an important part of how the dogs got the K-cups. Now that is a full sentence. I'm going to put a period. Let's see. The mess really made me mad. Huge mess, guys, huge mess. My kitchen, my family room, they even took it in my laundry room, the bathroom. It was all over my house. And it's like teeny tiny little black. Yeah, it's really hard to clean up. All over. Oh, that does not look like over. My house. And I'm writing kind of big, so it's not all going to fit in those little holes. Let's see. Probably need to tell you about my feelings, don't I? Hey, remember how we learned, did that mess up my video? I was moving in slow motion there for a second. I was mad, and I not just mad. I'm going to use those all caps that we learned about, I think right before Christmas, because I wasn't just mad. I was mad. So I'm going to do all caps. Luckily, I was home by myself. Also, probably important fact, I was putting away laundry in the other room, so I was not watching them while they were, so I can put I was doing laundry, because otherwise I probably would have caught them. I usually do not leave Theo alone for very long because he gets into trouble. I was doing laundry. And apparently I was doing laundry for a long time since they got it all over, or they just ate it really fast. Let's see. Okay. And I told you, remember, in the end, like once I got it all cleaned up and cleaned up the dogs and sent the dogs outside and had some peace and quiet, then I decided it was funny. So I'll put that way over here. It was funny. Man, I ended up using a lot of full sentences, didn't I? It was funny. I was doing laundry. Theo is tall. I was mad. And then these two are not full sentences. So it's up to you. You can write in full sentences, or you can just write maybe little 1 or 2 words, ate a box of K-cups. That's not a full sentence because it doesn't have a noun. I didn't tell you who ate the box of K-cups all over my house. I didn't tell you what was all over my house. So that's not a full sentence. Okay. I want to see this on your page. And if you go outside of the bubbles like I do, that's fine if you're writing full sentences. I hope somebody has a story as funny as I am, because I'm kind of thinking when I draw a picture of this, I might have fire coming out of my head because I was that bad. All right, first grade, let's see what you can do.